So even textile also we are seeing a lot of new thing coming up. The same organization like I talked about, International Advanced Research Center for New Material and Powder Metallurgy, Telangana. That center has developed many textile, and some of the textile already made the way to the market. और वो बाकी लोगों ने भी बनाए. जैसे if you go to the market and if you see something is wrinkle free fabric, shirt and pant which is wrinkle free, no wrinkles will come up. You don't need to press it. It's a nanotechnology. Odor free fabric, so body odor will not get absorbed, and body odor will not get absorbed, that is odor free fabric. Some fabric which are antimicrobial, that is also nanotechnology, silver nanocrystal or copper dioxide nanocrystal. Now we have something called sun wash fabric, self-cleaning fabric. This organization has developed this. Now this fabric is so good that it can just repel the normal dust and dirt. All you need to that you keep this fabric in a sunlight. This fabric has got titanium dioxide on it. Titanium dioxide will absorb the sunlight. It will repel all the dirt and dust that is there on the fabric. You just use it. So it's like no wash fabric or something like that. And in market, it is making the way with the name of sun wash, because sunlight will wash it, right? Obviously, it is for normal thing only. अब ऐसा नहीं कि you are pouring the rasam and sambar on that, and after that you are putting inside the. For that also, rasam and sambar will not also, because there is some fabric which is water repellent. You might have come nowadays. अब तो Shark Tank में भी आ गया है सब. The startup is there who is making such fabric, and they are having shirt and pant. They are pouring coffee and water and gravy, and that will spill out like anything. It's like the leaf. You pour water on the leaf will just spill it out. Similar kind of thing is there. So you're right. International